Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to activate Cigna insurance card. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To activate your Cigna insurance card, what you need to do is understand that most Cigna insurance cards do not require activation. They are active as soon as your coverage begins. However, if your card came with instructions to activate, what you need to do is first sign the back of your card for security, and then once done, what you need to do is call the number printed on the card or in the welcome packet, usually something like 1-800-997-1654 or the number of the customer service, and then follow the prompts to activate your card using your member ID number and personal details. Then once done, what you need to do is just simply head over and open up a Cigna app and then log into your credentials. Then once you do that, what you need to do is look for a card activation option under your profile or insurance details, then enter the required information to activate your card. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.